Bitcoin is right now breaking out of this bull flag pattern and as well above previous resistance, which is right now clearly turning into a support. The question right now is, are we headed even higher or are we going to be seeing a rejection? Well guys, we have some very important charts to discuss in today's update video. So can we once again smash up that like button above the 40 likes? That would be amazing. And without any further ado, let's as always first of all have a look into what's at imminent short term. And what we can be seeing over here is actually multiple things. So this is going to be very important. First of all, we are seeing a breakout out of this bull flag pattern towards the upside. And if we are going to be having a look into what's the official price target of this breakout towards the upside, well, we can be having a look into what's targets all the way up towards the 48k level. So well, that is going to be very important to keep in mind, because that 48k level was going to be our longer term target for a very long while already. So very coincidental, right? Now having a look into what actually happened right here is that we are trying to break out of this most important level of resistance. Right now clearly we have confirmed our breakout and we have also tested it as support. Now, in the imminent short term, it is looking like we are getting some kind of a bounce, but eventually right now, we are just kind of consolidating between this support and resistance, and anytime soon, we need to make a decision if we are going to be breaking above this resistance or if we are going to be falling down below this support again. So for me, this imminent short term is actually going to be very simple. If we are going to be falling down below again, well then in that case, I'm going to be considering this bull flag breakout as failed pretty much. But if we are going to be breaking back above resistance again, above these previous highs, well in that case, we can very well easily reach our targets in my opinion. We also do have a breakout target of this descending triangle still, which this breakout target will be coming in all the way up towards the 46k level. So about the 46k level to about the 48k level is going to be my target if we are going to be seeing this break above this resistance. Now, I do think it is going to be pretty likely actually that we are going to be seeing this break above its previous highs. And I am going to be explaining exactly why. Well, first of all, we still have that CME gap open above us. We tried to fill it yesterday night, but we didn't quite manage to completely fill our CME gap. So we still have a little bit more upside potential left in order to fill our CME gap, and usually around these CME gaps tend to get filled. Now, second of all, we have also got new news coming out yesterday evening that Hashdex just shared its spot Bitcoin ETF commercial, and all of these asset managers will go on a big marketing campaign. Of course, we are getting more and more signals that our spot Bitcoin ETFs are going to be getting accepted. Probably the first spot Bitcoin ETF is going to be coming in 13 days already, and leading in towards this event, most probably, we are going to be seeing more and more pumps happening. That is usually how the market moves, and at the same time, we are all of the time building up liquidity on that top side, and whenever you can be seeing liquidity in the yellow being created, these yellow boxes on the weekly time frame, well, all of the time, we tend to move towards these directions. So yeah, if we are going to be once again starting to create some kind of a yellow box on that top side, most definitely I do think we are going to be headed there. If you want to be staying up to date about that exactly, make sure to be following me on Twitter. And at the same time, another reason why I expect Bitcoin to move even higher is because the stock market is as well pushing to new all-time highs. And of course, yes, the stock market and Bitcoin is quite correlated. So if the stock market is pushing to new all-time highs, definitely I do think Bitcoin can also get that upside potential. And guys, if you are going to be interested in as well trading the current Bitcoin market, potentially if we are going to be breaking above these previous highs, it will be a very good trading opportunity in my opinion. Well, you can be taking a free $1,000 trade on Bybit right now with the links down in the description. So make sure to check it out because you can right now claim a free $1,000 trade on Bitcoin or on Ethereum. On top of that, you can also claim a free $40,000 deposit bonus. So make sure to check it out, and potentially Ethereum is going to be a better bet because Ethereum is not yet breaking out towards the upside out of this falling wedge structure. And at the same time, we can be seeing this in the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin chart. It is right now dropping like crazy. We are sitting at our support level, but potentially we are going to be seeing a breakdown, and that would be very scary for Ethereum. But if we are going to be seeing some kind of a bounce right here, well, then Ethereum can be shooting up towards the upside even crazier than Bitcoin is doing currently. So yeah, Ethereum right now is still consolidating over here while Bitcoin is breaking to new highs. Potentially Ethereum has some catching up to do with Bitcoin, but either way, having a look into what's that Bitcoin dominance, I am starting to accumulate more and more altcoins from this area. Now my ultimate target, of course, is going to be this 57% mark, where from that level I'm going to be going all in towards altcoins. Not yet from this point. I'm going to be slowly starting to scale in towards altcoins from this point, but at the 57% mark I'm going to go all in towards altcoins. Okay, so that is my game plan since the beginning already. If you have been following me for a longer time, you of course already know my strategy, and if you do want to be staying up to date about every single market development, make sure to be following me on Twitter, and guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.